Hello friends, welcome to Fada Pita Sports Complex. Yeah, this is the field we have been trying to finish. And you see a lot of work is going on trying to find the level. And you see the gentlemen working, and that's the field. And this is what we are going to do to find the level. And we thank God people are ready to help us, and we pray that more people will help us. The gentlemen are still working, and that building you see over there is where we call it retired priests or sick or old priests combined. They stay there, and we want to make this place habitable for them so that they can come here to walk around. Some of them, if they can play, good. If they cannot play, they walk around, and they can even see people playing, the young men, the boys, even the girls, those who want to play, playing in the field. So this is the field, and this is the field some of you have been hearing about. Fada Pita Charity Organization is trying to organize people, charitable people, those who love good things, to help us finish this project. Yeah, it's a very big project indeed. This is just the beginning. After the field, I will show you the volleyball court, and then I will show you the lawn tennis court. We are just starting the lawn tennis court, and we still have to build the hall, which will contain indoor games, and might be used by those who want to do one or two things. And then it will have a storage facility where we shall keep our gifts to the disabled and motherless kids. And then we can use the place for our free annual medical checks. It might not be once again. We might begin to do it 2, 3, 4 times in a year or more, depending on how things go. Let's move around a little bit to see the lawn tennis court. The lawn tennis court, we are starting with 3 lawn tennis courts. This is just the foundation. The foundation is on. It's not easy. We know that some sports lovers may like to come and help us. If you want to develop one court, we shall write your name that this was built by so and so. Will be 3 lawn tennis courts here. So those of you who are blessed, please come and join us to build beautiful tennis courts around here, so that the priest will at least have some sense of belonging. At least they can come out to watch people play tennis, and the priest of the diocese will come here for their weekly exercise. And this place is not only for the priest, it's for the people too, for the community. So when you are doing for not just for the priest, you are doing it for others, for the community. So those of you who are blessed, you must come to join us. You can pick one court and develop. It's costly, but you can do it. And you can as well belong to one grade. We have 3 categories. Yeah, I know some of you can donate 10 million. You are being your own category. Some 5 million belong to your own category. some 3 million, 2 million, 1 million, 500,000. Yeah, whatever you can do, you are welcome. So this place we are going to develop for the use of the people and the community. The workers are doing their own. I'm now heading to the volleyball courts. That one is almost completed. We thank those who sponsored that one. We shall. I promise that we shall not reveal the names of sponsors until the D-Day. People will know those who have been contributing towards the development of this project. And this is the volleyball court, almost completed. So please be part of this project. Be part of this project, and we'll be happy to be part of it. So let me show myself a little bit so that you will know that I'm here, Nigeria. So gentlemen, I have shown you around the volleyball court and the drill and tennis court, which we have just started, and the field over there. And I'm glad that many of you will be ready and willing to help us. Gentlemen, if you are rich, use your money to do what you like. Use your money to do charity. Use your money to develop the community. Use your money to build the community. Money is meant to be spent. There's nothing you can do with money if not spending money. If you don't spend your money, somebody will spend their money for you. I want to spend my own doing charity. Come on, let's do it.